So we're at the pond in the middle of the gardens at Dyrham Park National Trust, near Bath. And there's a nesting coot right in the middle of the pond, who obviously feels very secure and safe, even though there's lots of people walking around the pond and kids cheerful, shouting and playing. But she seems really secure and safe. And this is the context. So we're at Dyrham Park, and you can't see the house in the background. And this is the pond with the coots nest right in the middle of the pond. She obviously feels quite safe. So this coot is bringing back grass to its nest. Oh look. Oh yeah. So I imagine that's the male who's brought the grass back, and the female's accepting the grass. When he's off again. Do you think she's on eggs? So, oh.
She's not moving, is she?
So we've seen little grebes on here before, but that's a coot.